There's a backlog of more than 100,000 cases in immigration courts in Georgia alone, and that number increases by tens of thousands of cases each year. Some of these court proceedings are open to the public.
So I am getting everything pulled up online.
Great. On an early weekday morning in Atlanta, Lauren Waits logs onto a Department of Justice website. She's logging on to watch Immigration Judge James Ward hear immigration cases at Stewart Immigration Court in Lumpkin, Georgia.
Oh, look, and it's already got me in there, Observer. That's from the last time I did it. There's
Waits volunteers with the Georgia Asylum and Immigration Network's Court Watch program. The nonprofit started the initiative to collect information about bond hearings so advocates and attorneys in the Southeast can understand if there are trends in judges' decisions when immigrants are being asked to be released from immigration detention.
These hearings are public, and so the public should be in them, and they should be aware of how the immigration system is functioning.
Adriana Heffley is the legal director of GAIN. She says if more people are aware of what happens in immigration court, it can help battle some of the misinformation about what happens in the U.S. immigration system.
There's this myth that it's really easy to win asylum, and we know here in Georgia as immigration attorneys that is the furthest thing from the truth.
Judges at Stewart Immigration Court, which is attached to Stewart Detention Center, have historically had some of the lowest rates of asylum cases granted in the country, according to information from the Transactional Records Access Clearinghouse. Immigration judges are appointed by the U.S. Attorney General, and even though the Trump administration is increasing deportation goals, it's firing immigration judges at an unusual rate. And unlike immigration enforcement and detention, the immigration court system isn't getting billion-dollar infusions from the Trump administration.
So the last name was Paredes, and the A number here.
The judge and Stewart set bond in 2 cases. While the hearings are public, they can't be recorded.
They did not mention.
Waits details the attorney's arguments and the judge's decision. The attorney says the man has deep roots in the community and has U.S. citizen children, but the judge has concerns because he's made no attempt to obtain status in the country. The attorney asked for the man to be released on a $3,000 bond.
Provided a whole lot of letters, including from the church, the co-workers, and a state rep.
That's Georgia Republican State Representative Casey Carpenter. The man lived in Dalton, which is in Carpenter's district. The judge granted the man a bond of $5,000, and the Department of Homeland Security reserved its right to appeal. The judge set a deadline for this month, meaning if the Department of Homeland Security appeals, this man could go back to detention. Emily Wu Pearson, WABE News.